All right, let us quickly solve this Olympiad math problem. We are given that 5 raised to the power x plus 6 is equal to 6 raised to the power x plus 5. Okay, it's very simple. So what we do is we apply logarithm. Okay, whenever you have indices that you cannot easily cancel out the base, you apply logarithm. Okay, had it been that this is 5 raised to the power x plus 6 is equal to maybe 5 again, x plus 5, then this can easily cancel out this. But since their base are not the same thing, we apply logarithm. So we take the log of both sides. We can say log x plus 5, sorry, x plus 6, okay, sorry, log 5 raised to power x plus 6 is equal to what? Log is equal to log 6 raised to power x plus 5. Okay, now according to logarithm, this power can go to the back. So this one coming to the back, I'm going to have x plus 6 multiplied by log 5 is equal to x plus 5 multiplied by log 6. So now this time this will give you x log 5 plus this time this will give you 6 log 5 is equal to this time this will give you what? X log 6 plus 5 log 6. Now collect like terms. This one has x, come here. This one that does not have x, go there. So I'm going to have okay, let me say 6 log 5 minus this one coming here. I'm going to have 5 log 6 is equal to what? X log 6 minus x log 5. All right, now if you look at this, they have something in common. You can factorize. They have x in common, so let us factorize. If I factorize, I'm going to have, they have x in common, so I'm going to have, for this side, I'm going to have that log 6 minus log 5 here, okay, is equal to, here they don't have anything in common, so you write it the way it is. 6 log 5 minus 5 log 6. Now divide everybody by this so that x will stay alone. So x that I'm looking for is simply 6 log 5 minus 5 log 6, now divided by log 6 minus log 5. So that is the answer. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.